Hello and welcome to my daily routine for survey sites that pay video part 5. Now, if you guys have been watching thus far, you guys know that I'm talking about survey sites that pay you PayPal cash, Amazon gift card, check, direct deposit, any and other gift cards, okay? So I just want to help you guys make money online. I want to show you what I do. So we're going to talk about my routine. We're gonna navigate through the site, and we're going to talk about ways you guys can make money and what you can do to earn points. And my name's Velvet. I've been working online since 2014. I've been doing surveys since 2014, and I absolutely love doing it. So I came up with this little series, 8-part series, to help you guys make money online because I really enjoy talking about these types of things and hoping that it'll help you guys in the long run. So, but this is part 5, video 5, survey site part 5, or whatever, survey number 5 survey site that I want to talk about. It's called Swagbucks. Okay, now on Swagbucks, you guys can see, this is your dashboard here. You can see I've earned 1,312 points. Now, that's equivalent to $1. Wait, 1,003, okay. Yeah, 1,312 Swagbucks. That's basically equivalent to $1 on here, or $10 basically. Okay, so basically, you guys can do surveys. Click on here. I'm gonna click on the answer for you so I can show you this. Now, you guys really want to take advantage of this because sometimes they have limited and guaranteed surveys, where guaranteed Swagbucks means you're gonna qualify for the survey. Okay. Now, take a look at this. Look at all these surveys, you guys. 1 point per survey. There's a lot. Look at this. A lot of surveys. You're gonna get the points. Sometimes you're not. Don't give up if you don't get the points. This is a lot of surveys, so 1 point adds up. If this adds up to 20 surveys, that's 20 cents a day. You can earn 2 swag bucks for every 10 questions right here. Okay. Over here we have the daily poll. You can answer that. Let's click on the swag. This is the web where you can search and earn. You enter something, and if it pops up, you get the points for it if they give you the points. Refer. You can refer people here. This is your inbox. You check your mail or whatever. You check what's new. And this is your profile here. Okay? So we're going to go to click on Swagbucks here. My advice to you guys is don't do anything else on the site. Just do the surveys. Because I have watched and done a lot of research on this site. And the only thing I can see working is the surveys. Just because I've tried watching videos and I've tried other things. So I really think that the surveys is the best way to earn on this site. And it's only 1 point, but every now and again you'll get points for completing the survey. You'll get the actual survey points. Okay, you're most of the time you're going to get 1 point, but look at how many surveys there are. There's like 20 surveys altogether, 20 or more actually. So you guys can be earning 20 points a day on this site. That's a lot of points, you guys. Okay. So, yeah. Now, over here we have shop. This is the shop tab where you can shop and get cash back. I don't use this at all because I don't shop on here. This is just a list of things you can click on over here, what you can do. Okay, so let's go back to the Swagbucks tab here. Okay, and this is the watch tab where you click on watch. And you can watch tons of videos and get points for it. And here you can have multiple browsers open as long as you stay on the home screen and you leave them open and running in the background. You can get points that way, and it's 1 point. So I believe that for doing 20 surveys, 1 point per survey is worth it, in my opinion. Just because that's 20 points a day, 20 cents a day you guys are earning. 20 cents a day. That's a lot. Okay? And I don't know about you guys, but 1 cent is better than no cents. Okay, so yeah, you guys can discover is the same thing as watch. You can answer questions and stuff. Search is where you search the web. You can play games. Okay, and we're gonna look for. Let's see. Buy gift cards. Here we go. Let's see here. This is not what I wanted to click on. Hold on 1 second. Sorry about that, you guys. Let's see here. Buy gift cards, redeem your Swagbucks. Let me see. No, that's not it. Let me see here. Redeem Swagbucks. Let's see. Here we go. Took you long enough. Alright. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the reward section where you can redeem your rewards. These are all the gift cards they have. Okay, so $25 to PayPal is 2,500 points. I have 1,312 points. Okay, if I were to do a trial offer on here, it would add up to the points I would need to cash out. Okay, they have a $50 PayPal cash. You gotta get 5,000 points. Okay, for $50. They have $100 ones where you have to get 10,000 points to get $100, and they have another one over here. Let me show you this one. $250 PayPal cash. You got to get 250,000 points, and that's a lot of points, or 25,000 points, I believe it is. I think that's 25,000 points in order for you to get $250 PayPal cash. And those of you who are grinders, you will go the distance to make that, to get the 250. I know you will. See, me, I stay in my range. I'm $5 here, $10 there type of person. But they only have $25 gift card, and the lowest is 2,500. So I think I'm gonna stick with it. And at first, I was gonna, delete my account on here, but I figured, you know what? Why not? Why not? Just do the. I'm gonna keep the site, and I'm just gonna do the surveys. I'm just gonna do the surveys. I'm not gonna do anything else. I want to see just how fast everything can rack up just by doing the surveys alone, just because those are worth it. Okay, that's worth it. So, Swagbucks is a great site. You guys really should take advantage of it, okay? And there's one last thing I want to show you. Okay. Here's the help tab. If you guys have questions you want to ask or frequently asked questions, look, you can come here and click on each of these boxes and you'll get your answers. You get your answers. Okay? You get your answers. So instead of asking me, come on here and try to find your answer. If you can't find it, submit a request or whatever, and Swagbucks will get back to you, and you guys will get your answer in the right amount of time. Because I really want you guys to succeed. I want you guys to put forth the effort to make the money yourself. Okay, that's why I'm making this 8-part video series, so you guys can see what I do and what I'm telling you to do, so you can earn the points you need to cash out the money, so you guys can go pay a bill, or you can, go take your kids out to eat, or go to the movies, or whatever it is you guys want to do. Put gas in your car. Go get Starbucks, whatever you guys do with your money. So I don't know about you, but I could use extra cash on the side. But this is just a video series I wanted to make because I really, really want to help you guys make money. Okay, so that is my daily routine for survey sites to pay part 5. This is the 5th website I talked about, survey site I've talked about. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys come back and watch more of it, and I will see you guys in my daily routine for survey sites to pay part 6.